Hey guys, today let's learn how to view the watch history on Instagram. So if you guys would like to go ahead and view the watch history that you have on Instagram, all we need to do is to launch the Instagram application and then tap on your profiles over here. And what I want you guys to do is to tap on the three lines right here and then tap on your activity. Now, once you're already here, basically, as you would notice, you don't really have an option for us to view the watch history, but the closest thing to that information is to view the interactions on our likes. Now, basically, if you go through one of those or any of those reels that you watch on Instagram, you may have liked them or double tapped on it if you have liked it. So you could actually go ahead and view those liked reels through here and basically just see a general idea of what you have watched before just by viewing your likes. So as you would notice, we have all of our liked reels as well as photos right here. And essentially, this is the closest information that we could have to the watch history that we have on our Instagram device. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.